My name's Stelios Vakis. I'm a consultant general and colorectal surgeon working at the University of Derby and Burton Hospitals and have been here for 19 years. I became a doctor because I enjoyed science and working with people and actually seeing the results of my efforts relatively quickly, as we surgeons do. And hence surgery was definitely the subject I was going for. I became a colorectal surgeon because I actually worked for a very enthusiastic surgeon who was into research and teaching, and eventually was president of the Association of Colorectology. And he encouraged me and helped me in the subject, which I still enjoy, even though I'm 19 years of doing the same job. I think the most rewarding aspect is actually the fact that as a surgeon, you see a problem and very often you can deal with it with a good outcome over a very short time period. So you get gratification of achieving something for your patients quickly and effectively.